Hey y'all, this is Y2K Diva Locks coming at you for another video. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020, and I'm coming at you because this. So, hello Diva and Gents, this is Y2K Diva Locks coming at you, and today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020, and I just wanted to check in. Hopefully everybody out there is doing well, that you're being safe, you're being healthy. I wanted to come in and check in to tell you that I am 2 days locked. If you saw my last video, I was talking about how hard it was to maintain my loose, free form hair. It was shedding a lot. And what I did is I cut a ½ inch off my hair all over. And I really thought that I wanted it to do micro locks. I wanted to interlock. But once I started, you know what? I'm still kind of on the fence. I've had dreadlocks before. I do love dreadlocks. They're super easy, and I loved my first set of locks. But again, like what I was saying on this hair journey, I kind of wanted to see how long my hair can grow with it being loose. My hair does not like that. So what I'm doing is I'm reaching a happy medium where right now at this stage, I don't want it just to be free, loose, natural hair because for me, I find it a lot of upkeep for my texture of hair. It is a large upkeep. And it's not so much that my hair dries out. It's not the dryness or keeping it moisturized. It is keeping my hair tangle free. So if I wear it in a fro, my ends tangle up. Hence the reason why I had to cut off a ½ inch. And I didn't mind that at all. Y'all, little secret, I love short hair. I like my long hair too when I had my locks. But I really don't mind short hair. Like right now, I can just shave my hair completely bald. I don't care. So what I did is instead of doing the interlock, sister lock, micro lock, I just did 2-stranded twist. I don't know how many I have. I'm just not that emotionally invested right now. And I will as time goes by, I'm sure. So I don't know how many I have. And yes, this is going to be locks. So this is my second attempt since June. I believe June 20th of 2019, I started my second set of locks, but then I combed it out. Then I started another set, and I think in October, combed those out. So here I am in March. This is my second day locked. I locked my, not locked, but on my lock journey. This is my second day into my lock journey. And I started off a 2-stranded twist. So right now it is in an ugly stage. This is what I was trying to avoid last time, if you remember, the ugly stage mixed with the gray hairs. I've completely accepted my gray hairs, but this is the ugly stage. So I'm doing whatever I need to do just to kind of get by. But yeah, here they go. I do have bobby pins in here, just kind of help it lay down, my hair lay down, because it was kind of sticking up, because I had a center part. So, but yeah, here, this is it. Like I said before, I did cut, let me get on my knees here. I did cut a ½ inch off of my hair, and they're not completely neat. I didn't care if it was so neat, if my parts were neat. In fact, yeah, I just don't care. The fact that, you know, probably their hair to part ratio isn't the best, isn't the best, but I'm gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna kind of semi, let it do what it do. I do know that I'm not going to palm roll this set of locks. I don't want to palm roll this set of locks. What I'm going to do is interlock, and I'm just only going to do the 2-point. I'm not going to do the 4-point. Why? Because although I can almost guarantee I will commit for at least 1.5 years, definitely a year. So after 1.5 years, when I start getting some growth, I might want to comb that out and have, you know, my loose hair again. But for right now, I don't want to kind of do anything to make it super duper permanent. So I'm not going to do the pointed interlocking method. I'm just going to do the 2. Plus, I want my hair to be kind of light and lightweight. I don't want it to be compacted. I want my hair to be kind of sort of fluffy and light and airy. So that's why I really don't care that probably my parts are too big for my hair density. Don't mind that at all. So let me kind of show you the back. Here it is. So I'm super excited. Well, when I started this two-stranded twist, actually, I showed you the tools in my last video that I wanted to interlock, but those tools were too, I think they were for larger locks. I purchased that tool, that interlocking toolkit back in, I'm going to say in the fall of 2019, where I kind of thought that my locks were going to be free-form, so it was going to be thicker, kind of more matted. And so the interlocking tool that I showed you in the last video, it did not work for my hair. My hair is kind of short and I have low density per strands. So basically I have less strands in a certain area. So I could not use that tool. So that's why I two-stranded twist. But this is what I got in the mail today. Y2K Diva Locks. So this, I went on, this is London lock. This is the London lock tool. This tool was, and it says hair accessory. Excuse me, that's my miniature chihuahua. Sadie, no, chasing, I don't know what it's chasing, a little spider or a little tiny carpet bug or something. But yes, I went online and I purchased this last week. So it came fairly quickly, but it is $50. And this tool, let's just open it up. I kind of wanted this tool 2 days ago when I decided to lock, to go for this lock journey, but I didn't have it. But it came today, but my hair's already sort of twisted. So here's a little unboxing. So this is it. And nothing else is in here, see? And this is the tool. Wow. So she's a R certified retwist, I guess. That's what R means. R certified sister lock consultant. And so there's that. And then back here. And so there it is. And it comes with a little spring. There it is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a place where there's less busyness in the background so that you can see the tool, and we're gonna see how it works. We're gonna test it out. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm in my bathroom. You wouldn't believe, I'm telling you, this fell and it almost went down into my drain. Who would have been upset? I'd have been a hot somebody, a hot diva, had it fallen down the drain. Just $54, just thrown out the window. But here it is. Here's the tool. And I'm going to I'm going to go ahead and try it on my hair here. Let's see. All right. So this seems good right there. Okay. So now it's latched pretty well. And I'm going to do the 2-point rotation. So let's see how I want to do this. I'm going to go in through 9. And then go in through 12. Oh, I love this. Going in through 9. Whoa. And then pass it through 12. So there it is. So I was able to do 2 rotations, and there it is. I love it. So right here would be 12 from your angle. Well, if I was looking down, let me make sure. Okay. So this right here would be 12. This would be 3. This would be 6. And this would be 9. So I went in through the 9, and then I went back with the 12. So I love this tool. So I probably would have had interlocks. Wow, I like that. I probably would have interlocked. And who knows, I might go back. If I get bored and interlock the rest of these two-stranded twists. But I really, really, really like that. Wow, that just made it a breeze. Let me see if I can kind of hone in there. There it is. Let me see if I can get another one. I don't feel comfortable doing. Let's try this one. Here it is, tool. And I'm just gonna hook it. There. God, I love it. There it is. And all right, so I'm gonna go in at 9. I'm gonna go in at 9 and then come down at 12. Going in at 9. I'm pretending like I'm looking at myself so I make sure I have this right. And then I'm going down at 12. And there it is. 2 rotations. God, I love this. Beautiful. There it is. I like this a lot. I may just go in and I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day, since we're on quarantine here. I may just go in the rest of the day and finish these out. I really like how this is turning out. This is kind of making me excited about my locks. All right. So guys, now I'm holding my darn camera. I definitely love this London lock tool. And, well, there, I snatched it out of my hair without fully making sure it was unlocked. But this is so unprofessional. But yeah, I do like this. I think that I'm gonna spend the rest of my evening here and get it done. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of them. I was waiting for this on Sunday, but you know, it came today on Tuesday. But yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. And I'll get back to you. Until then, y'all stay healthy, stay out the streets. One thing, this is a little side note, we're not talking about hair now, but in my area, I do live in North Carolina, and my area, my immediate area, my zip code and surrounding zip codes, every day they do a report how many people has this coronavirus. And it's super interesting. So today was the first time this morning was the first time I actually entertained it. Because I'm a bit of a conspiracy theorist. I think that this thing that's going around, it's just a test run for something a little bit bigger and more sinister that, you know, probably can coming down the pipeline in years to come. So I think right now that, and I can say this, shoot, I only have 62 subscribers. So I don't think Facebook is going to shut me down for saying this, but I really do feel as though this is a test run. I believe, and this is just my opinion, I feel as though they're testing society, testing the global people, you know, people all around the world, to see how complacent they are. And yeah, so that's what I feel. I'm not saying by far that this virus isn't happening. That's not what I'm saying. But I do think, and again, this is just my opinion, I feel as though it may not be what the media is sort of portraying it to be. I'm not even sure if, you know, the place that they're saying that it came from, it originally originated from, you know, I just am I'm a cynic. I'm very cynical as far as all of that. But, you know, my task for you, as if, you know, I can give you a task, but go ahead and look at the statistics in your surrounding area. Here in North Carolina, in my area, it actually gives the age range of people who have it, their racial, you know, Black, white, other, Asian, Latino. And what else do they have? They have age, they have race. And there's something else that they do. But I was really interesting. I'm not about to kind of vent and rant on that right now in this video. But I was surprised who has it in my area. What demographic has it the most. And so check yours and leave it in the comment box if you care to. I'd be interested in knowing where you guys are from, and if you check out the racial components, and as far as the age, leave it in the comment box. What, you know, who's having it, who's contracting this, because I was blown away when I saw the statistics this morning from my local area, my surrounding zip codes. But until then, y'all be blessed. This is Y2K Diva Locks coming at you, and be well. Bye-bye.